What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Coming to y'all from my kitchen area today. It's cold outside. Today I'm repin this this harness. Well, they say I gotta pin something for the transmission. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just to pin this out right here. It's two pins. It's a red and black pin and a blue and white pin. And I think we gotta do it on the green one or something like that. I got my little tool right here, so I can do that. Okay, let's get to it.
On the track.
Okay, guys, I'm back. First things first, I gotta hook this up, you guys. Well, I gotta pin it. This is for the ISS sensor on the 4L80. I don't know what ISS means. I'll figure it out and put it in the video. All right, let's get to it. Get y'all up a little closer where y'all can see what's going on. All right, this is the extra sensor that I need for the 4L80. I'm gonna kind of spread this out. Take a look at these connectors. See what I'm up against before I put it on the car. Okay. I'm sure this is, not sure what that is. I know this got to be temperature sensor, alternator. This might be something to go with the mass airflow or something, I don't know. Okay, we got oil, I believe. Okay, guys, I was concerned about this plug because I know these need to be plugged in a certain, these wires need to be in a certain slot, these pins for the 4L80. And I think it's already, it's together. Let me let y'all check that out. I think that's correct. So I don't have to repin this. All I need to do is add that input speed sensor. That's what it's called. So I don't have to touch this for the 4L80. I was on lt1swap.com looking over that and trying to figure out which one of these that I gotta add. Where's that wire? Okay, here it is. I don't want to mess nothing up. Make sure I'm grabbing the right thing. Okay, you guys, I think it's the blue one. I hadn't finished reading on lt1swap.com, but I think it's the blue one. Let me go back and do some research and I'll get back with y'all. From what I read on lt1swap.com, which is a great website, they use this the green one. the green connector is where I input. I put the input speed sensor for the trans. So y'all can see that, the green connector. All right, let me pop this off. Let me pop this off and get it done. So let's see. It's my first time doing this. I done watched hours and hours of footage before I did it. Let's see which one is on there. 22. It's this one. I don't know how you pop this thing off of here. Let's see. Okay. You just push in those little slots. These little slots in here. What if you can see that? Let me see. Those little slots in there, you just push those in and it pops out. Okay, that's what it looks like, you guys. Seems like it's pretty good. Where did I get this harness from? You wouldn't believe it. I went cheap, you guys, man. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on the harness. I don't think it's necessary. I'm just doing an LS swap, man, a regular LS swap. It's a budget swap, y'all. Okay. They say red and black goes to 22, and dark white and blue goes to 23. So I'm gonna put red and black in 22. Let's see. Hopefully this is. See, y'all see it's coming through. I don't know if y'all can see that. The camera focus. Okay, I'm putting red and black in 22. Okay. This should be securely in there. Let me pull it back out a little bit. Okay. Should be in there, okay, right there. All right, that's securely in there. Then we're gonna put blue and 23. They already had the wires out, so all I need to do is just push them on through. Oh, hopefully this go in, right? Where's 23? 23 is right next to it. That one having a hard time going in. All right. We got it in there. You bag it out a little bit. All right, it's in there. Okay, this is the ISS speed sensor. input speed sensor. We got everything connected. Now we're gonna put this retainer back on here. It's just simple as that. That was easy. Okay, next I'll be installing this in the Nova. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And I'll get back with y'all in a second. I'm out.
Ace Banks on the track.